Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kashmira from Delna Global Physiotherapy. First of all, let me thank all of you all for being with us for this long journey. You all are with us for more than 4 years now, many of you all. Some of you all have joined new, and we are always glad to receive all your gratitude messages and all your love-filled messages thanking us for all that we shared with you all. And it's our pleasure to share a bit of our knowledge. Now this video is regarding our upcoming class on NEUROBICS, that is brain gym, and this has been a long awaited class. We've been trying to put it up for quite a few months, but because of time constraints we were not, but finally we are here with this. So just a brief about what these classes will be. So this is a WhatsApp program wherein you don't need to come live or come at a dedicated time, but we will be sharing videos of the program, the recorded videos that we ourselves have made it, and we will be sharing that with you all on WhatsApp once you register in for this program. And those videos will be accessible to you. You can access them at your suitable time, day, and do accordingly how we have shown the activities to be done for this program. Also, some people had written to us that being May vacation, people are traveling. So don't worry about that. Once you register for the program and once you receive the recordings, then they remain with you. So you can access them even later if you're traveling during that period. Yeah, so that is about how the program will be. So every week we'll be sharing a few activities which stimulates your neural system. Now just a brief about how NEUROBICS help and how we can work on the brain and prevent some major complications of Alzheimer's, dementia, and a lot of other brain conditions which happen because we kind of misuse our brain in many ways. We don't even know how. People who are brilliantly intelligent, people who have achieved great milestones in life, and even people who live a mediocre life, everyone ends up with some or the other complications in the brain after some time in their life. So a lot of it can be prevented if we just understand. For working on anything, first we need to understand that thing. So if we understand how our brain functions and works, we can prevent a lot of complications which can happen because of brain disorders. So basically just a brief about the physiological part and the anatomy of the brain. So our brain is made up of cells like any other part of the body, and the cells of the brain are called as neurons. Now each neuron has one long branch which is the axon, and then some small branches which are called as the dendrites. We'll share a photograph with you to see how it is. And each of these dendrites, from one neuron to another neuron, they are connected. So every neuron has one long axon and multiple dendrites, and then they connect with each other. So normally when we are living in a stereotypical life, like this is what we do in the morning, night, evening, this is how my day goes. So when we live a stereotypical life, the neuronal pathways, the ones which we are using, they keep becoming stronger and stronger, and the remaining dendrites and remaining axons which could actually connect and form a neural pathway, they never connect, or they connect very mildly and they never become strong. Hence, as we've heard always that we don't use the fullest potential of our brain. That is because we have not explored the various pathways which are available to us in the brain, but we never explore them because we are very stereotypic in living. So we have taken into consideration this very important aspect, and the activities that we have put in the program help in breaking the stereotypical pattern of the brain that we form through the years. So that is one thing that we are covering. Second thing is what you eat, what goes in your stomach, that's how your health is going to be, correct? Similarly, what we feed our brain, what we feed our mind, that is how our brain function and mind function depends on what we are feeding our mind. So that is another very important thing that we generally tend to overlook in our life, that what are we feeding our brain. We know what we are eating, we eat healthy things, we know, we research, and we kind of keep our gut health, digestive health good, and think that we have kept our overall health good. But that's not true. That is only working with your digestive system and your physical health. But when it comes to your brain also has some foods, and we must be careful as to what we are feeding our brain. So we have taken that also into consideration as to how we can change what inputs we are giving in the brain. So we have some amazing videos and articles, some of them shared by our spiritual teacher as well, Shri Rajiv Kapoor ji. So some of those articles, some of the videos, some very nice guided meditations. So all of that is also incorporated, considering what food we are giving our brain, and how according to what food we are giving our brain responses. So that is another aspect that we have taken into consideration for this program. So it's a very well devised program. We'll be sharing recordings personally made by us, and it will be very, very beneficial for everyone who is interested. So those who are interested, you can just contact us, take the payment details, and register for the program. We already have a very good number of registrations, and we hope to see all of you all for our program. Thank you. Take care.